Yo, welcome everyone. Can you hear me, guys? There are 4 people watching. Can you hear me? We'll just wait for 5 minutes. Let's see if someone's joining. Yeah, so welcome everyone. Let's start the stream. 7 people. That's good enough for me. So yeah, this stream is sponsored by Bybit. Uh, they're a good exchange. I trade on it daily. They have good volume. So if you want to trade with me, just use my referral link in the description. Cheers. Yeah, so let's get started. So yeah, this was the plan for ES when I posted on Twitter. I don't know, 5 days back, or yeah, 5 days back, I guess. Let me check quick. Yeah, oh, where is it? Yeah, so this was the area I was eyeing, and we got it. So the reason behind that was this block. You see, we had a push up. We never came back and retested this area. So what happened, once we started deviating this, we came down. Eventually we found support at this box, had a big rally up, and then a sell off. So this sell off, I was expecting around this area, and the second target was this. So it was something like this, but we got an instant sell off after we reached 4200 area. Yeah, and the lows, these lows, they were expected to be taken out. So for now I'm not sure. We might get a push up to these lows and test the 4084 level, 4081 level. If we get rejected here, we are going much lower. Like I'm eyeing this. This area to be tested, at least this area. Worst case, we might take out these lows as well. $3,900. So let's see now how it plays, because this sell off was very wild. So the thing right now eyeing, let's just wait for the stocks to open. We might get some rally, a rejection here. You short it down to 3952 or 3900, whatever it is. Volume is so low, bro. My volume is good, I guess. One second, let me check. No, bro, volume is good. Turn up your volume. Yeah. So yeah, this is the idea for ES. I don't think we smash this resistance immediately because we have a support here. No, not trading volume, bro. So yeah, I'm expecting this support to be tested. I'm not sure whether we get the pump. We might just fall from here as well. So I'm not taking any trades as of now. So let's see. Once we reach this area, any rejection here, you don't want to be long on crypto, because once we start seeing the sell off on S&P, I don't think crypto is going to hold. Oh, bro, he's talking about my volume, bro. Yeah, that's fine. So remember, guys, any rejection on 4080 is your sell signal for crypto. Unless we smash above and hold, you don't want to be long on crypto. I wouldn't suggest buying any spot right now, but still, it's your choice. So this is the plan for ES right now. Once we have this area 3900s, we can think of adding some spot buys. Why? I'll tell you. 1 second. Because this is the area, resistance, kind of a breakout. This was a breakout, but it was a weak one. Okay, so what we did here, we just went under this resistance. That was a wick, so you don't count this as a rejection. Remember, guys, if the wick closes above, so if suppose if this is a support and it becomes a resistance, that's fine. But if this is support and we get a wick down and the body closes above this support area, SR level, you just call it a stop hunt. That's it. Like bears are trapped, breakout traders are trapped. So always wait for confirmation. That's what I keep telling you guys. Okay, so this is kind of a breakout, support, the SR level support, and the pump. That's it. It's that easy. So why I think we might visit these levels like 3930 or 3900. There are chances we might take these lows because people who long S&P on this SR level, they are not going to put their stop loss here. Eventually they will put their stop loss here at these lows. So we might take out these lows. Once we take out these lows and start holding about 3900s, I think there's a good chance that crypto rallies, relief rally maybe. I am not sure about the bull market, but relief rally. So I will see that what happens. Either we get a retest to 4080 before going down, or we go directly down towards 3920 to 3900. Let's see. I wouldn't position myself today because I'm not sure whether we are bottomed short term or not. Let's see. Yeah, let's move on to BTC now. Oh. So this was our plan on the last stream, I guess, on the 12th August. Yeah, so this was the plan. I'll just give you a quick recap. This was the key level, 25,400. 1 second. Yeah, sorry. So at 25,300 was a key level. What I was expecting is a breakout hold so that we can push to 2800, but 29, but we couldn't do that. we had an alternate scenario as well. Just take out these highs, retest this area of 25,300 and just jump. So that's what we did. We filled this FPG area, which I used to talk about a lot, 21,740. If you check it, we broke down. We couldn't break up above this level. This whole area acted as a resistance, and there was a further continuation down. So that's it. That was the play for BTC. I don't think if any of you took it or not, but yeah, if you even took me 1% seriously, you wouldn't have longed anything here. So let's see now what happens. So we are still under the 2018 highs. This is the 2018 highs line. On the daily, we are still under that. So as of now, I'm not sure. Let's just clean up the chart. So as of now, only this line matters to me. The rest all is fine. We don't need to talk about the rest right now. Okay, so just one line as of now. Okay. So I was expecting at least the price to tag around at 23,000 before pulling this move down from here. Like I wanted this gap to be filled. Like there is this name for this candle, I don't remember. Like you see, there are no wicks. I don't, if anyone remembers the name, please just let me know. Like I'm not a very technical guy with the names. So such candles tend to get filled without wicks. I don't remember the name. So if you see a candle like this, whether bearish or bullish, and there are no wicks from the origin, these type of candles tend to get filled. So I was expecting something like this, but eventually we just went down from this area. That's fine. No, bro, that's not engulfing. That's a different name for that. I don't remember right now. Yeah, one second. Let me just Google it. What's the name? Yeah, whatever you spell this, I have no idea. Just get the. Yeah, Pavel, you are right. So yeah, I don't know how to spell this, but yeah, whatever you call this, no wicks. They eventually tend to get filled. How? I have no idea, but that's how it works. Okay, so that's on the daily. Remember, guys, that's on the daily. Don't confuse it with small time frames or lower time frames. So that was the plan. I was expecting this area to be filled, and this also happens to be a origin of the sell-off. Okay, so this block this block needs to be tested, whether it's strong or weak. If it's strong, we will reject again. If it's weak, we might just smash above, take out these highs, 25,300. Marobozu, bro, I'm not going to spell it. It sounds so weird. Yeah. So as of now, I don't want to long anything. I don't want to short anything because we have got a good sell-off. This was a good sell-off here, like 20%. You don't short a 20% down asset immediately. Yeah, so if you are looking for shorts, you might target this area, 23,000 approx. Any rejection on the 23,000 areas, you want to short it, because shorting there, if suppose we just get a pump from here, we take these highs, come down and again tag 23,000 areas. So any rejection in this area is a sign of weakness, and it tells us that we are going much lower. If suppose this is the local bottom of today or of coming weeks, so a rejection here, you short here, put a stop loss here above this wick, not here, not here, above this wick. And if you are using a lower leverage or a position size is less, you can just place a stop loss about 25,300. That's it. You just short it, and the area I would be eyeing would be these lows. So right now it's very unclear whether we are going to just dump from here and take out these lows, or we are just going to pump, fill out this gap and just continue lower. So it's a very risky game right now. So we wait for the BOS. What is break? BOS break of structure? Yeah, market structure break. Yeah, and the area, the main confluence is 2700, I guess. Yeah, this area. You see, if you want to be very safe, you can just wait for the price to flip this area. This is a key SR level. You see, all this liquidity, it got smashed in one go. It was a big sell off. Here we got the retest, the downtrend continued. So either wait for the flip of 2700. Once we start holding above, you can just long it, take this as your target 1, and once we flip this, take this gap as your target 2. That's the safest thing you can do right now, rather than just buying here and praying. So on the daily, I'm eyeing this point here, this wick of 18,900 to be taken out. Why? Because it's simple. Let me just clear the chart. Oh no. Yeah, that's fine. So imagine if this was a 5-minute chart, you would have waited. You would have just waited simply just for this. Be honest to yourself and ask yourself, like if this was a 5-minute chart, you would have just waited for the sweep of this wick to get this lows, these both lows. July low 18.7. Yeah bro, it's somewhere near. Yeah 7.45. Yeah bro, whatever this area is. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So eventually, if you see this area, it doesn't look like bullish to me as of now. Yeah, we might get a dead cat bounce till here. We might take out these lows. Once we take out these lows, wait for the reclaim of this area of 18,900. Once we hold above, you can aim this gap which I was talking about earlier, the 23k areas. So yeah, this is the play right now, but I'm not sure about this dead cat. If we get it, good. If we don't, very good. We can just buy lower. We can just long the reclaim of 18,900. So yeah, just let's wait for it. Something like this. So yeah, that's the plan for BTC. Let's move on to Ethereum. Oh wait, let's just talk about the macro views as well. 1 second. Like where I think it actually bottoms. I don't think this is the bottom. I don't like bottoms aren't formed like this. Like this is bottom. This is not the bottom. You know, this is how bottoms are formed. Accumulation. If lucky, we get accumulation, manipulation, and then expansion. This is the best thing. Fan token is doing well. Check Santo. Bro, fan tokens, bro, they are like long term hold, I guess, because right now there's not much utility to them. Not many people are interested in voting and spending their money. People are right now, people are more bothered to earn more money than spending on the team decisions. So yeah, I think that's a long term model. Let's see. I'm not suggesting buy any of them right now. Just keep an eye on them. If you want to trade them, that's good. Rest, I'm not sure about anything. Yeah, so let's go to the monthly chart. So there's a monthly close in like 2 days. Yeah, 2 days. And this is the key level, 23,300. Unless we close above 20,300 on the monthly, I don't think we are going to see any upside, because this is a clear rejection. And if suppose we close under this candle, these two candles, what is the area, like 19,800? Yeah, 19,800. It's a confirmed market structure break here. If you check out, it's a market structure break. So I'm expecting much lower. If bulls don't save the chart, it's going to minimum 16k, minimum 16k. We are going to take out these lows, these equal lows. We might even fill this area of 15k. What is this area? 14k. So this is what I'm eyeing right now. So it's, and I guess September is a very bad month for crypto overall. So let's see, this is what I'm eyeing. I wouldn't suggest buying right now. Wait for the monthly close. It's also a month end, like hardly 2 days remaining. So if suppose we close under this area of 2018 highs, 20,000 or 19,800, it's over. Unless we reclaim again, it's over. I'm not going to buy. But there is no reason buying here. If suppose we close down here, there are very high chances that we take out these two equal lows of 17,500. The lows will be taken out, and once we start taking out these lows, it means there are so many stop loss here. Stop loss have in place, so that might trigger just a sell off. That will trigger a sell off where directly into this area, and this also happens to be an FPG candle. So it makes a lot of sense to me that we might visit 14k. I know people are going to talk shit about me that I'm calling 14k, but that's fine. They can do what they want. I'll do what I want. Simple. So yeah, I'll just say that wait, don't FOMO right now. Even the prices are dropping, that's fine. And I hear people saying that the price is down like 60%, 70%, what is this? Yeah, 70%. It can't go more. Bro, it can pull another 50% down. You have no fucking idea. We might just do this. Who knows? Yeah, guys, just give me 1 second. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm back. So yeah, just wait for it. If we go proper global bear, something BTC hasn't went through before, how low do you think we can go? Bro, this is my first bear market, so I have no idea how these market works. But yeah, this is what I'm eyeing right now. It's simple technical analysis. If we close the monthly below these two candles, it's over. Like, I don't see any sense buying spot and holding spots, because if BTC does a sell off of, suppose 25%, alts are going to go like 50% down, even more. Like, I have no idea. Like, alts can just do a proper capitulation, just like the COVID crash. I'm not comparing the two situations, but yeah, you need a sell off. Maybe I don't know. Like, I'm not interested buying here. Let's see what we get in 2 days and 15 hours. Yeah, exactly, bro. No reason to hold spots, and I don't think like alts have a good chance for a nice 6 months. Maybe I don't think we are going to see some good moves on alts. Exception, there might be some coins, but still overall alt market, I don't think there's much left right now. It's better to buy some BTC here in this area. If people are actually waiting for the perfect bottom, bro, you are not going to get it. You might get lucky, but you can't predict it. So the thing is, once we start getting under this equal lows of 17,500, you start adding some. Like, you can place your bids anywhere in this gap. You have this big gap. You can place your order anywhere between this. Like, we are not sure that we get a wick here. They might just front run us. You have no idea. And sometimes big exchanges, even if the prices go under this area, you might not get filled. That's how they work. They scam you. It's the truth. That's happened to me before. So it's better to buy a bit above, because I don't think we are going to hold here for long. If suppose we get this wick like this, we are going to go up immediately. So there is no sense crying for like $2,000-3,000. Like, if you see, that is like hardly 16%, 16 to 20%. That wick will be filled. Like, you are going to see something like this, or like this, a quick capitulation, and then up. So what you do, you just place your orders, you spread your orders. You don't place everything at one price. You just spread your orders here from 17,000 to 15,000. Just place it anywhere and just forget it. Yeah, and if suppose we start breaking down of 13,000, 14,000, if we break down and hold, we will get a retest here on this area. So that's when you sell. Once it starts breaking down, you start scaling out. That's it. That's the risk you have to take if you want to catch up near bottom. Else you are not going to. Else you can just wait. You can just wait for the reclaim of 17,500 again. If suppose we do something like this, and you don't want to buy here, okay, you can add some here, go full size here, and just play the rest. That's it. So that is the play for me right now. I'll just wait. Let's see. But I'm much more leaning towards this area of 17,500. We had a wick down. If we don't close under 17,500, that's a good sign. We are just doing stop hunt, and just back above 17,500, you can open a long. What will be your target? This area, 2018 highs, this area, because we don't know whether the price will do this or the price will do this. Like, we have no idea. There are two probabilities here, so we need to figure that out. We need to play level by level. Still, if you want to buy spot, it's a good area. Like, you're getting a nice pump, like 13%, 14% pump. Like, if you put around like a 50% of a spot, it's still a 7% up on your portfolio. So yeah, that's a good play if you want to buy, but I wouldn't. I will just long it and play this 14% bounce. I'll just sell the 2018 all-time high. Yeah, once we start smashing above and holding above the 20,000 area, you can add more spot, because this whole thing will be a deviation. The prices here, we get down, take out the equal lows, like this is your deviation, this is your confirmation. I hope everyone's clear with this idea. So let's see now what we get in 2 days. Right now I wouldn't long. Yeah, but if you want to scalp, I have got this setup here. I wouldn't recommend you taking any position right now, because this is just like a trial testing for me. Like, these are the lows before this sell off, and these were the highs, which was capping this whole price. This was a range, deviation. We got above, retest, and now we are going up. But yeah, that's it. I'm not in this position, I'm just eyeing this setup. This is like how I practice. That's why I haven't posted this, and that's a good 4-hour trade. So yeah, that's how even you can practice if you wish to, but yeah, don't just risk it all. This might play out, this might not play out. I have no idea. Yeah, let's see. So let's move on to Ethereum now. Oh god, Ethereum is a mess, man. Ethereum is a mess. Yeah, so remember guys, like how from the stream 1 I used to say that 1700 is a big level for me. You see, 1700 was a big level for me. Like, everyone was getting bullish here. That's fine. I told you that I would buy the retest. I did buy the retest, and my stop loss was just below this candle. So yeah, I got stopped out. That's fine. That's the risk I was willing to take. It was minimal loss, I guess. Yeah, it was just like max 3% loss on my portfolio. That's fine. So you see, like, this was the main area. This was the breakdown. We got the retest. Yeah, 1 second guys, I'm getting a call. Yeah, sorry, it was a call from the banks. Fucking idiots. Yeah. So 1700 got rejected. this was a clear deviation. We broke down, got a retest, and this was a big sell off. Like 15% is a big sell off. So I'm not interested in Ethereum right now. It's looking absolute shit. Like there is no chance you buy here. This is a very risky area to buy. The area that interests me right now are 3 levels. I'll just tell you the 3 levels. The 700 area. Why? I have 2 reasons for that. You see this accumulation before the push up. Okay, this was the accumulation, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 candles, 6 days. That's nearly a week of accumulation here before the push up. It happens, it just creates a strong base. So this might be tested again, 750 to 700. Like I'm not sure what the exact bottom will be, but yeah, this is the first area I'm eyeing as a long time buyer, and that also happens to be a 3D FVG or a weekly FVG. Okay, so that's nearly 3 confluence for me, and that's enough. And I guess there are some yearly lows as well here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 1 second, what's the yearly low? Yeah, Jan 21 low as well. So there are 4 confluence here. So this is the main I'm eyeing, main support, main price. We might get there, but before that I'm eyeing this area of 1250. This whole area. Okay, I'll just show you my chart. Yeah. Like this is the area I'm eyeing. Why? It's simple. The price came down. This was the first test. Second test, it formed a resistance. Okay, 3 taps. 4th tap here, and then we got a breakout. Okay, we got a breakout, but we never tested this area. This area is untested after the breakout. So if suppose you had to long here, okay, if you were the person who long this candle, this daily close, it looks bullish. Most of the traders would just blindly long this. Okay, so if you long this area, you might put a stop loss here. 1 second, just let me turn on the epic. This looks shit. Yeah, 1 second guys. Yeah, so if suppose you long this, oh what the fuck bro, if suppose you long this candle of the daily close, your entry would be somewhat around here. Okay, your stop loss would be under this candle, under this wick. Perfect. So the thing is, we haven't taken out these lows yet, so I don't know how many liquidations or how many stop loss are placed under this wick. Like there might be millions. Like we have no idea. So the thing is, I'm expecting something like this to play out. Do you understand why I'm telling this? Because this stop loss under this area needs to be hunted, and it matches perfectly as it's just right above this support. This candle, it's not an FVG. I wouldn't call this an FVG. as of now. See, look, this is an FVG. Okay, so this area needs to get filled, like this whole area. This whole area, like 1400s. 1400s need to get filled. Eventually will get filled. But let's see, that's we can't judge, like we can't just predict it, because we don't know whether we get it today, tomorrow, or after a week. I have no idea. But right now I'm not interested in buying Ethereum or longing Ethereum. Even for quick scalps, it's very risky. But yeah, if you are an expert, just go for it. Like, no offense. So yeah, once we start taking out these lows of 1360, this area, it might just trigger a sell-off. Why? Because there are multiple stop loss. Some people even might get liquidated here. Like, I have no idea. Those who are using high leverage, they might get liquidated, and we might eventually fill this gap. This candle, this was a breakout. This whole area of 1240, we got a breakout. We never tested it as a support. We don't know, like, whether this is a strong support or a weak support. Hopefully I expect the price to bounce here, because I have got my orders from 1200s to 1250. Let's see if it gets filled. If suppose we don't hold this area, and if suppose we break down, that's fine. You don't need to panic as of now. We might do something like this, okay, or we might do something like this and take out these lows. Yeah, take out these lows. So as of now, Ethereum is not in the place where you buy for long term or mid term as well, because there is not much upside left. I'll even discuss the macro of Ethereum. But yeah, this is what I'm eyeing right now. You just want 1250 to hold. If suppose we start heading under 1200s, it's over. We are going in 3 digits again. And if we are going 3 digits, I'm eyeing around like 700 for sure. For sure, I'm eyeing 700. If suppose we break this area, literally I'm eyeing this area to add for my long-term bags. But I don't think we break the 1200 levels. I think we get a bounce. Bounce till where? 25, 26. This is a 3D FVG candle, which I expect to get filled. But how? Come here, form a base, show us that this whole SR level is strong, get back above. This green box is 2018 highs, if you don't know, guys. It's on the daily, it's on the daily, so that's why it's looking like this. But yeah, if you even take this on the 3D, you see it's a good confluence with a blue box. That's 1250 area. Show us that this SR level is important, get back above. Once we are above 1450, I'm sure we are going to see 2500, at least 2500, these highs. This will be my minimum target, but only if 1250 holds and we see some strength into resistance of this 2018 highs. We want to see some strength here rather than just breaking down. Once we are above 1450, I think it's a clear air. You don't need to worry, because this whole move will be a deviation, and this whole thing will be a higher high, higher low. So that's the plan for Ethereum right now. I think we are very close to get a, not macro bottom, but mid-term bottom, maybe just for a few months rally. Yeah, and even the whole Morse thing, I don't think we are going to get a sell-off on the 15th or the 16th, because there was no pump. Like, only this was the pump. Okay, I was expecting us to rally somewhere around 2300s before the merge, but no, the price said no. Yeah, and if you are looking to play it level by level, if you are looking to play it level by level, if suppose you are buying 1250 area, the first selling area would be 1700, because this is a big SR level for me. You can see it. Okay, once we flip 1700, you can just play it till these highs of 2000s. Flip 2000s and it's a clear air. Your first target will be 2500, your second target will be 2700. That's it. That's level to level. And this is just for spot. For futures, I would recommend like going to lower time frames and lower down your leverage as well. But yeah, this is the plan as of now. Let's see, I'm still eyeing this area of 1250. I'm not going to buy any spot Ethereum or any spot alts as well. Yeah, so let's go to DXY as well. I was calling a double top on DXY, but it never played out. So yeah, let's see. So I was thinking like this might be a double top on DXY, but I don't see any weakness here. It's still possible. It's not confirmed yet, but if it goes down, this will be a double top, but I don't see any weakness as of now. We are pushing on the daily as well. So yeah, this is very bad for crypto. If you guys know, you know. If suppose we close weekly above this level 108.7, we are heading towards this area of 111.3. You see this area. So yeah, crypto will bleed. If you are bullish on crypto, you want to see a rejection somewhere around 111. That might even push the price to 17,500 as we discussed earlier. Yeah, we might see a drop. 10% drop, 10-15% drop. That's very likely. And even Ethereum will just go to 1250s. That's a perfect buy zone. And any rejection here, like something like this, that will add as a great confluence for buys around 17,500 and 1250 areas. So yeah, let's see. It's just patience game right now. You don't need to rush for anything. So there is no weakness on dollar as of now. Even the monthly, it looks bullish as fuck. You see, this is bullish. Just pray that we don't close above this area 109.3. If it happens on the monthly, it's like super bullish. Like we took out this whole candle. The close of current candle over the previous high, this area, is a very bullish indicator. In fact, any close over 50% of the previous candle, it's a bullish move in my opinion. But yeah, we are already way far above 50%. So yeah, it's absolutely looking bullish. There is no weakness. Like, just pray. Even these highs, like, oh fuck, I don't know, man. These highs. Yeah, flip 111 and we are going to 122. That will literally kill crypto, man. It's 10% move. Fuck. Like, but I'm not sure about this. The only thing right now I'm eyeing is 111. Any rejection here, and I'm going to start adding to my spot portfolios. Flip it, hold above. It's going to run even harder. Take out these equal highs. And crypto is going way down. Like, I don't know how much time this takes, like maybe 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. I'm ready. You might see BTC around 13k, 12k, and Ethereum around 750. That is like 50% drop from here. Imagine Ethereum dropping 50%, all literally going to 70-80% down. Fuck, man. These are just great buying opportunities in my opinion. You don't need to panic, but yeah, just play smart, and I guess you can at least add 1 0 to your portfolio in the next bull run. Just don't over leverage stuff, man. Don't over leverage things, please. Go step by step. You don't want to get rich tomorrow. Just take your time. So yeah, this is the plan for DXY dollar index. Yeah, guys, do you have any alt requests here? Like 7 people are watching. I'll just show you what alts I'm eyeing right now. Matic, Solana, Doge. Yeah, these are the 3 coins I'm eyeing right now. So this is a clear setup for Matic for me. This is like a no trade zone. This might be an accumulation. This might be a second distribution. I have no idea. We might see something like the power of 3. Okay, I have no idea how this one plays out. Obviously not this high, but yeah, you get the idea. Like take out these lows, hold above, get back above this 7.75 resistance SR level, and just pump. Take out these highs, take out this candle of FPG candle, and BNB please. Yeah, okay. So this is what I'm eyeing on Matic right now. Long term, like this is the level. This is not just a line out of nowhere, but this is the level. You see deviation, hold above SR level, rejection. The price was just going down. Yeah, you see support. Not sure. Let's see. There are 2 scenarios here for Matic right now. Short term plays. This is our short term. I'll go for the macro as well. So if suppose we break down, this is your short entry. Your stop loss would be somewhere around here. You can add some at the retest. Don't go all in, because we have no idea whether this is a fake out or it's a clear breakdown. So add like 10-20%, and once we go under these lows, you add full size, placing a stop loss here. So that's a very safe thing you can trade. The safe way to trade. And this will be my target 1 for the shorts, and target 2 is I'll be eyeing somewhere around here. Yeah. Worst case, we might even go till this area. This area. We might even test this area. Why? Because see, resistance, breakout, support, pull up. We got the pump, but we never tested this area again. You don't need to always. We already had one test. That's not like kind of a law or something, but still, if it's going down, these are the levels I'm eyeing right now. So yeah, these are the plays. And if suppose we break up here, this will be a long entry, placing a stop loss here. You can target these highs. all this liquidity will be taken out. So these are the two plays I'm buying right now on Matic. I wouldn't buy this chop because I'm not sure it's accumulation or distribution or what. Like, I have no idea. Yeah, and if suppose we do a third scenario, if suppose we break down, take out these lows. Okay, we take out these lows and we are going back up. Don't need to worry. Just close your shorts, or it's okay if you don't close the shorts. You can just wait for the flip. Once it flips, you can close your shorts and add two longs. You can add two longs. You can play this range, this area. Your stop loss will be around here. So don't overcomplicate things. Don't over leverage. Don't rush. Just be patient. Let the price come to you. Bro, I'll be honest with you, man. Like, charting is very easy than trading. Like, even if I am showing you this, I wouldn't take the trade myself, because when you are taking a trade, you are putting your money online. Okay, so that comes with practice. You need to practice. You need to be ready to lose money. Like, these are also obvious plays. I'm telling you right now, I might just sleep on these plays, or I might not take this trade at all. I don't know. So that's why I keep saying on Twitter, like, charting is easy, trading is a whole different thing. Like, trading with leverage or trading with size on spot, it's a whole different thing, because you actually put your real money online. But yeah, like, that's why you wait for confirmation. Okay, like, if you get stopped out, that's fine. Like, if you're trading with discipline and you wait for confirmation, I'm not saying that you will make 10 on 10 trades. You might make 5 trades out of 10, that's fine. But for the rest 5, you might get stopped out on a very minimal loss. I mean, I keep saying, like, a scratch is better than a wound, a deep wound. So if you get a 1% loss, like, I'll give you an example right now. It's a live example of me. Like, what I did was, 1 second. Like, I don't remember. One second. Yeah. Like, so I longed this wick yesterday. That's also why a beginner is... No, bro, paper trading won't help you. Paper trading won't help you because you won't feel the emotions, because that's not a money. It's just fake money. Always remember that. If you don't trade, you are not going to be a good trader. It doesn't matter if you lose 10 on 10 trades, but if you are disciplined enough, you will make it. Yeah, so I'll just tell you what I did yesterday. This was the long I took on 15 minutes. Okay, I didn't sell here. Like, I was expecting these highs to be taken out. Okay, and I guess I went to the gym. Yeah, I went to the gym. I guess it's 6, right? Yeah, 6 p.m. Yeah, and later on, I saw the price coming down. I was like, okay, eventually we will get the pump up, and I slept. And I got stopped out. Like, my stop loss was here. And I was 10x leverage. So that is like 3%. That's fine. A scratch is good enough, man. Like, I might have woke up in the middle of the night and saw the price here. Like, that is like 17% of a portfolio. Like, so yeah, a scratch is better than a wound. That's fine. So even I take loss. It's nothing new. But yeah, you need to keep trading. You need to see what matches your system, because unless you do that, you are not going to be a good trader. Yeah, I'm not saying it's going to be easy. It's going to take lots of practice, lots of discipline, lots of patience, and maybe like 4 or 5 years. Like, even if you ask me, I won't say that I'm a good trader. Yeah, the followers and all, it's a different thing. Like, if someone has good followers, you don't call him a good trader. He might be a good influencer, we don't know. But a good trader, no, you can't judge a trader by his following. Even I make mistakes a lot. That's fine. So yeah, this is the plan for marriage right now. Let's get back to it. So yeah, we'll just wait. Even I was talking about Ethereum tagging this 1420 areas, and I was sleeping. I didn't take any long. That's fine. This was the sole reason of waiting for the 1420s. It never touched, so yeah, that's fine. I'll just wait for my entry. If the price starts going up, will I FOMO? No. I'll just wait for shorts. Simple. Like, always remember, guys, like, there are two different things. Trading and charting, it's a like north and south. Like, you can't. So yeah, this is marriage for short term. Long term, let's go marriage. Medic. So eventually I'm eyeing marriage to tag this area. 0.26. Why? Ask yourself why. Okay. So this was the FPG candle. We got filled. Okay. This area of 0.42 got filled. That's perfect. We got a bounce. But are we bullish? I don't think so. Like, this liquidity candle, this liquidity wick, this needs to be tested. And here's another FPG gap. You see, with overall markets being bearish, I expect this gap to be filled as well. Yeah. So something like this, and you can place your orders here. It's as simple as that. This is something I'm eyeing on marriage. I'm kind of getting bullish on this one as well. If we get this area, we might take these lows as well, and it might trigger a sell-off or liquidations or whatever it is. Take out these lows, fill this gap, it's over. You start accumulating. Like, yeah, obviously I'm not saying that we would do a V-shaped reversal. Obviously no. We'll do something like this. So this is accumulation. You just buy and hold. You don't like panic sell or do any stupid stuff. So this is the main reason I'm eyeing for marriage, around 0.25. Yeah, and obviously we will get a good pump. Till where? If that's the question. Open a 3D chart. We are going to take these highs. At least these highs. $2. At least. Like, that will be my targets. Ultimate target, not TP1. But yeah, ultimate target. As a minimum. If I buy here, I'm selling here for sure. I wouldn't sell here, no ways. I'll just hold, accumulate and hold. Because this is a clean, like, bearish structure. We are going back into this accumulation zone. And if suppose the price holds here, it means this support is strong. The buyers are interested, the project is good. So this is like how a cycle works, in my opinion. Yeah, we'll just see. This is for marriage. And yeah, definitely I'm eyeing Doge. Like, you can't sleep on this one, man. You can't. Check flux. Yeah, bro, I'll check it later. I'll just do two more, Doge and Solana. These are just my watch list. Yeah, I know I said that I'm taking Solana out of my watch list, but bro, the chart looks just amazing, man. Just amazing. Yeah, so for Doge, Like this is the area. Like first of all, I want this wick to be taken out around 0.041. Okay. Test this area again, this liquidity of point 0.04 and approx 0.05. Reject it. If we see a rejection here, I'm eyeing around a 0.028. Anywhere under this area, I'm going to buy and forget Doge. Like that's my buy signal for sure. I'm going to just buy, not obviously I'm not going like 100% of my portfolio, maybe 10-20%. But yeah, I'll just buy and forget. Like I don't need to check the price every day for Doge, because we all know what Doge does when the markets are bullish. Yeah, all the other coins like SHIB and other meme coins, they came after Doge. So Doge is like the BTC of meme coins. So obviously if you're getting BTC cheap, why wouldn't you buy? Like if tomorrow if BTC goes like 5k, I would buy BTC rather than going for Ethereum and shit, man. No, I'll just buy BTC. So yeah, this is the area I'm eyeing. Like you see this huge gap. This was the accumulation. This was the support. Okay. This was the support. This was a huge candle. This whole candle is acting like an FVG here. I don't think we go this lower, but at least I want this wick to be filled on the daily, which is like 0.022, and that will be very quick. I don't think many of us are going to get a chance to buy the exact bottom. So anywhere under this area of 0.028, you can just place your order. Like between this wick, you can place your order anywhere, and hopefully you are going to get filled if we see a market wide capitulation. So yeah, that is my long term hold for Doge. And targets, bro, let's not talk about it. Targets, man, everyone knows, man, what Doge does. Everyone knows. Even if you just buy here, minimum is what I'm eyeing is this area. Like that's a fucking, you see yourself, like it's going to be worth a hold in my opinion. Obviously not an entire portfolio, like 10-20%, but that's fine. Just go for it. I personally am going for it. Like I'm going to add like 20, not 25, but 15%, maybe 15% of my portfolio in Doge, 15-20% in Solana, and the rest in Ethereum. Look, I'm not going for Matic, I guess, but let's see. Like 2 different alts and 1 Ethereum. That's it. So I need to decide which are the 2 alts from Doge, Matic, and Solana. I guess Doge is already confirmed, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, so Solana. Yeah, this is the area. Resistance. We got a pump. Never got a retest here. We got a test here. It failed. Got under. Tested it as a, like we got a retest for the SR level. Bearish retest, you call it. We are going down. So the next area that I'm eyeing right now is the sweep of 25.88. That is approximately $6. If suppose we don't hold this, we are straight away going to take out these lows directly into this box. Like this whole area is a weekly range. Like you see, accumulation, pump, came down, testing the accumulation. Okay, so the thing is, Solana might be in accumulation right now. We'd have no idea for years coming. If this is an accumulation, we might see manipulation here, and then once we claim above this level of $19, it's a confirmed expansion. So power of 3 might be in play here. So right now, I don't think adding Solana here at these levels is sensible when you know, like this might just this guys look, if you look at this chart, it looks so obvious, like we are going to take out these lows. I'll just go to 3D. You see this area of accumulation here, like we never tested this area. Okay, we don't know like how strong this area is. Eventually I think we are going to test this area of $15 somewhere. $15 is a very good buy for Solana. You can just buy and forget, and it also gives us a confluence with our power of 3 theory. Obviously it's not my theory, but yeah, you get the point. And how up it goes, like maybe this will be your TP1, $122, your TP1. I'm not going to sell it so early. If I get a $15 entry, we might even go to new highs. Like I'm not claiming that we will, but we might. Like I have no idea. So yeah, $15 will be a great buy. I'm personally eyeing this again. The whole soul starter or what it was, I don't remember the name. The FUD. It's okay, man. It's okay. That's when it happens. Let's see. So yeah, basically once we start getting a sweep under $19, that's your buy. Yeah, and guys, please just don't wait for the perfect bottoms. Like if you think you are going to catch the exact wick, no, you won't. Okay, even if you talk about $15, that's a 50% drop from here. You see, that's a 50% drop. Why wouldn't you buy a 50% drop directly into the support? You are stupid enough to wait for the bottom. I would even take like $17 as a good entry for a long term, because you don't need to care about $3 to $5. It's like 20%. You are going to just see a big wick. You won't be able to catch that wick. And in coming days, in coming weeks, if you click on the weekly chart, it's going to look like this. The bottom will look like this. Like you have no chance to buy the exact bottom. Remember, guys. So if suppose if this was a price action, okay, we got this wick. Okay, and you guys, some of you guys, okay, not everyone, some of you guys might be thinking that we will buy at least the tap again or the sweep again. No, bro, like we didn't get the sweep. You see, like what was the difference? Not even $1. Yeah, $1 approximate. So yeah, that's the thing. You don't buy the perfect bottom. So anywhere in this area, this region, that is $5 regions. This you see the $5 region, like from 13 to 18. You just place your order above the middle number, that is 15. Okay, so if you take this area, you see this was a resistance as well. So yeah, you place anywhere above $15 and you should be good for the next bull run. You will at least make a 5x, at least 5x. Yeah, so that's it for Solana. And these are my views. Like this is a whole fucked bear market, man. Like, come down, accumulate, get back, get sent. This might be a whole new cycle. Yeah, bro, I'll do OP, I'll do BNB, bro. What is OP, man? I don't know what OP is. Yeah, let's do BNB anyway. Fuck it. Not here. Yeah, so I had this marked. Yeah, so we never got the flip, so no entry, no long, that's fine. So for BNB. So yeah, this is the range for BNB. If you look at it, Like some people even might take this as a range. I'm not an expert, but yeah, this is how I look at it. These were the lows. We got a liquidation hunt, took out the lows, started rallying up directly into this SR level. You see the close, rejection, retest, 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 breakdown, retest, second retest. So yeah, this is done for now. I wouldn't touch BNB as of now. Yeah, so it even matches with the fibs, the FVG candle on the 3D, this candle. This can be a good buy zone. I'm not sure. This will even create a higher low. Okay, so if suppose this is a higher suppose if this is a higher low, the chances are we might push above this 326 level, hold here and take out these highs of 440. Okay, so I would just wait for BNB as of now, as it's a monthly close. I wouldn't touch any alts or any BTC or any crypto or any markets. But yeah, this is the play, bullish play. Bearish play, like we might just test these lows again, come down, hold above, that's a buy. Okay, so but BNB is very strong right now, so I think this might be in play. Look for a higher low here around these areas, like 240 to 260, but I think we might get much lower if BTC just goes on a huge sell off. So yeah, ultimately if you see any bullish price action here, like a higher low, higher high in this region, you start adding. That's it. Start adding, placing your stop loss here, just play it. This will be your TP1, the same SR level. Once we get back above and hold, you just add again, placing your stop loss here. This will be your entry. Play it to this area, like 440 areas. That's it. That's it for BNB. Long term, guys, I told you I'm eyeing like $50. I know many are laughing at me for that, but that's fine. We will see in the end, like who's having the last laugh. Like this is the area. Break this area of 186, 187, hold under, and we are going to do a big sell off. Like there will be a FUD or anything, like I have no idea, someone doing a case against Binance or anything, like I have no idea. But this whole candle, I'm expecting it to get filled today or tomorrow. Like I have no idea. We might get it tomorrow, we might get it after a year, 2 years, after 3 years. I'm happy to wait. But once we get the test of this area, this whole candle, I'm going to start adding BNB for my long-term portfolio. If we get it, I'm not saying we will get it, if. So yeah, that's it. That's for BNB. Yeah, people can laugh, man. I don't care. Like I'm not stuck to one coin. So yeah, that's it for the stream, guys. Now I'm going to have lunch. See you soon. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Yeah. Cheers, guys.